In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another set of DIY projects. So today I am going to be upgrading Dollar Tree basic materials, and I am going to be creating some really cute personalized back to school crafts. I am going to be upgrading a lunchbox, a backpack, and also a pencil case. So if you want to see how good these upgraded materials turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up, I'm uploading this image that I designed off of Canva. And so I chose to use pictures from when my child was a baby, when she was first learning how to eat. And I thought that that would be really cute to have on the front of her lunchbox. So after I got the image uploaded, then I'm just making sure that the size looks good. And then I'm going to select the option to make it. And then I use heat transfer vinyl papers to print out the image that I got from Amazon. And so after I select make it, then it gets sent to my printer as a print then cut. And then after that, I'm just able to select the base material. And then I just use my household iron to iron on the image in front of the lunchbox. The next craft project is a personalized pencil case, and I'm going to be using some holographic permanent vinyl for the name that I'm going to be placing on top of the case. And so for all of these personalized projects, I'm going to be using Cricut's Design Space, and here I am just selecting the font that I'm going to be using. And I usually just stick between the same fonts that I typically use. And so I've used this font before in a previous craft project as well. And so here I am just making sure that I got the right size, and then from there, then I'm going to make it. after I get the material loaded and it cuts it out, then I'm just going to start weeding out the excess material, and then I'm going to transfer the text to the pencil case. And here I am adding some transfer tape to the vinyl, and I just got some strong grip transfer tape, and it has completely changed the game. I think I was using some Dollar Tree transfer tape before, and it would never really grip the vinyl the way that I needed to. So this has made a big difference and made a huge improvement to being able to do these vinyl crafts a lot easier. Holographic vinyl really upgrades the look and makes it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And I wish the camera could kind of capture all of the different colors that it gives, because it kind of looks like it's color changing. And next up is this book bag that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this simple addition for these monogram letters really upgrades the look of this bag. And I'm using the same file that I used for the previous DIY that I did for a lunchbox, and I'm just going to be duplicating that and then adding it onto this bag. And so for the last part of this, I'm just ironing on the image, and I'm just making sure that I iron it on the front as well as open up the bag, and then make sure that I get a good iron on the opposite side so that it adheres really good to the bag. what do you think about these custom back to school supplies? And thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.